Welcome to our Look AI plugin tutorial. Pattern extraction brings prints back to flat. Click to upload a flat lay or model image with prints or all over patterns. Just a heads up, make sure to drag the white box to pick the area you want to extract in the pop-up. Make a selection from the options bar. Click the green Generate Look button in the bottom left to start. Click the small image below, hit Save and pop up. Image goes to right side Save Project. You get a flat pattern with no wrinkles, and the text stays intact. Your shortcut to fresh ideas and easy redesigns. So how do you use it? Then, click Plugin Store at the bottom of the left toolbar, find Pattern Extraction, and hit the Pin button. Just hover over the left toolbar, you'll see the new feature added. Next up, Clothing Extraction. See you then!